Hello my friends, my name is Pratiksha Dubey. Today we discuss on topic main method in Java. So the main is the starting point for JVM to start execution of the Java program. Without the main method, JVM will not execute the program. The syntax of the main method is public static main string args square bracket. Okay. Now let's see it's one by one. Public. It is an access specifier. We should use uh, public keyword before the main method so that JVM can identify the execution point of the program. If we use private, protected and default before the main method, it will not be ever visible to JVM. Now next is static. You can make a method static by using the keyword static. We should call the main method without creating an object. Static method are the method which invokes without creating the object. So we do not need any object to call the main method. Now next is void. In Java, every method has the return type. Void keyword acknowledges the compiler that main method does not returns any value. Now next is main. It is a default signature which is predefined in the JVM. It is called by JVM to execute a program line by line and end the execution. After compilation of this method, we can also overload the main method. Now next is string args. So the main method also accepts some data from the user. It accepts a group of string which is called a string array. It is used to hold the command line arguments in the form of string value. Here args is the array name and it is the string type. It means that it can store a group of string. Remember, this array can also store a group of numbers, but in the form of string only. So value passed to the main method is called arguments. These arguments are stored into args array. So the name args is generally used for it. Now next is execution process. First JVM executes the static block, then it executes static method and then it creates object needed by the program. Finally it executes the instance method. JVM execute a static block on the highest priority basis. It means JVM first goes to static block even before it looks for the main method in the program. So that's it about main method. Thank you.